In this video, I want to show you how to set the automatic timer on any indoor or outdoor decoration, whether that's Christmas trees, wreaths, strings that you would have outdoors, or even accents that you would have outdoors with lights. And they're pretty much universal on how they are set, and I want to show you how to do it on this indoor Christmas tree. So you should know if it's got a timer. It'll usually be on the box, or when you got it, you know that it has a timer. And this particular Christmas ornament tree timer looks like this. I got three AA batteries in there. So it's got 3 different settings. You don't have to worry about that. It's pretty universal. So let's say I want to put it on the second one. This has got like solid lights. And if I do that one, it's got colored. And then if I do the third one, it's got blinking. So how it usually sets, it's usually from a time interval of 6 hours on, and then the rest of the day off. So 18 hours off. So for example, let's say I set this, let's say for example, it's 6 p.m. right now. If what I'll do is I'll make sure it's completely off. And so it's 6 p.m. So what I'll do is I'll turn it on to my desired setting. And then what's going to happen is it's going to stay on for 6 hours. And then after 6 hours at midnight, it'll completely turn off. And then the following day at 6 p.m., it will turn back on for another 6 hours. Now, if you want to reset it and change the time, let's say you want it to turn on at 8 p.m., and right now it's at 8 p.m. now, what I would do is just simply turn it off again, and then return it back on at 8 p.m. And so then it would go on and last until 2 a.m. and then turn off, and so on, and then it would be off for another 18 hours. The majority of the decorations with timer lights are 6 hours. There are a few out there that have 8 hours, but the majority of them are 6. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get this Christmas tree, you can actually get it off of Amazon. I've had it now. This is my 2nd year of having it. It's around 25 bucks. As you can see there, it's about 5 feet tall, and it's compact, and that's the reason I like it, and it's lightweight. It literally weighs about, I don't know, a couple of pounds. It's got this little aluminum pole that goes up, and it comes with these balls, and as you can see there, it will basically roll up into like a ball, and you put it into a box that's only like, maybe 16 inches by 12 inches or something. So I'm very, very happy with this tree, and I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get it if it's around Christmas time. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.